Good morning, everyone. Well, hair salons are prepping to reopen in New York City, and I can guarantee when you walk in them, things will look a lot different. Leading the way in safety as far as hair salons are concerned is Julien Farel. He is one of the hairstylists in New York City, hairstylist to the stars. He and his wife have been leading the charge when it comes to what hair salons need as they begin to open in New York City. And joining me right now is Suelyn. She is at the Farel Restore Salon and Spa in Midtown. It is wonderful to see you. And I want to start off very quickly. What are the initial reopening procedures that we will notice?
Good morning, Marysol. It's very important. First and most importantly, it's health and safety. And that means hygiene. It's so important for both the staff and the clients. From the moment someone walks through the door, we are temperature taking for both clients and staff. Of course, everyone will be mask wearing, social distancing, and we're taking some extra precautions like putting handbags into individual plastic bags. We're handing out individual wipes for your phone or your glasses. People will be sitting at least 6 feet apart. And at the beginning, unfortunately, we are only offering hair, which means cut, color, or blowout. We won't be starting with nail services, facials, massages. Those services will have to come later than the reopening.
That definitely sounds like it will look and feel a lot different, but safety first is certainly something that we talk about here on the broadcast. So, Lynn, I wonder if you can, you've been helping salons across the country with this reopening phase. What are some of the things that you've heard from salon workers in terms of what they need to get up and running? Because there's still a host of folks that may not return right away because for fear of safety and whatnot. But so what have you heard from salons?
Well, some of the main concerns coming out of other salons across the country are things like removing the client's apprehension. The clients have a lot of apprehension about this new normal. And I think it's about the salons themselves having the confidence and taking the precautions. And that's where we've been helping. We've been providing, I've been doing complimentary consulting and Zoom calls to make sure they have the correct resource list. We provide a contactless checkout form so that clients will no longer have to stop at the desk. And that's a new procedure for many, many salons across the country.
Wow, that's pretty impressive. So walk me through. I walk into the salon. First of all, can I wait in a waiting room? What is this really going to look like from start to finish?
Right now, we are not doing a waiting area. We may do 2 chairs outside, actually, at our location, but we're not starting with the waiting area. You'll walk in, you'll have your temperature taken to make sure that you're okay and healthy. We do send a questionnaire in advance asking, have you been sick? Is there anything we should know? And please, if you're not feeling well today, there is a waiver. That's also new. Then you'll be handing off your handbag to be put into a plastic bag. It's hand washing, it's wipes, it's being escorted to a chair, and you will spend most of your appointment only with your technician. We're also reducing cross traffic between each area of the salon. I'm calling it a zone defense. And in that zone defense, we'll have people stationed in 2 chairs who are doing blowouts. But I said, I've got to take a note from the basketball playbook and figure out really how to keep our operation as streamlined and as tight as possible, both for the staff and for the clients. Safety first.
Safety first. Will clients be required to bring their own brushes, or are the salons going to be using brushes?
Well, that is a new protocol for us as well. We ordered sanitizing equipment, which is similar to what we've always used for nails, and many of your local nail salons use those. We're using those for scissors and brushes. All of the hair tools will be disinfected in between each client, as well as the wipe down of the station, the chairs, anything in the area. Our technicians won't be sharing tools. And also, unfortunately, to start, no magazines and drinks or water only. No cappuccino, no coffee, no tea. Everything like that will be reduced, again, to reduce the amount of contact throughout the salon and really be super, super hygienic.
Suelyn Farel, thank you so much for that really useful information, and hopefully we'll see each other sooner rather than later.
Can't wait to see you when we reopen. Thank you so much.